Welcome to day 5. Today, we will practice staying with the breath a little longer. Find a comfortable position. Let your hands rest naturally. Gently close your eyes, or lower your gaze. Take one slow breath in, and slowly breathe out. Now allow the breath to return to its natural rhythm. There is no need to make it deeper or slower. Let breathing happen by itself. Notice where the breath feels clearest. Perhaps around the nose. Perhaps in the chest. Or in the movement of the belly. Choose one place and rest your attention there. Follow the breath as it comes in. Stay with it as it goes out. When you notice that attention has moved into a thought, return to the same place in the breath. Stay with the natural breath for as long as you can. Staying does not mean holding the breath. And it does not mean gripping your attention tightly. Let the breath move freely while attention rests lightly with it. Notice the inhale from beginning to end. Then stay with the exhale from beginning to end. Let each breath arrive by itself. Stay with its natural rhythm. There is nothing else to work out right now. Only breathing. Only noticing. See whether you can remain for one complete inhale and exhale. Then allow the next breath to arrive. Now release any effort to concentrate. Simply notice that breathing is still happening. Take one final slow breath in. And slowly breathe out. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. This was day 5. Day 6, we will practice noticing without judging ourselves.